ABC Educational Channel. Hello, little readers. Are you ready to have fun while learning to read? Today we're going to practice basic reading. Sentences that are easy and fun to say. The ice is cold. The ice is cold. The man is fat. The man is fat. A jar of jam. A jar of jam. A big fat boy. A big fat boy. The cloud is clear. The cloud is clear. She likes to jump. She likes to jump. I like my pants. I like my pants. A plane can fly. A plane can fly. She dances very well. She dances very well. She is very angry. She is very angry. The crab is orange. The crab is orange. I have a vase. I have a vase. I write my name. I write my name. I like art class. I like art class. I see 1 cat. I see 1 cat. This is a chair. This is a chair. Sleep with your mom. Sleep with your mom. Mom is very clean. Mom is very clean. I brush my hair. I brush my hair. He is my dad. He is my dad. She is my friend. She is my friend. The car is new. The car is new. The ribbon is pink. The ribbon is pink. We had fun today. We had fun today. Thanks for listening. Until next reading adventure, kids. Goodbye.